reasons for the institution of deities includes for protection and justice. Therefore, deities such as Ungu and Udo are instituted and called upon to provide these services in exchange for a service that the family or the community would provide or could provide. Now, a common misconception that we have about Alusi, especially when we're coming from a Christian background and a Christian socialization, it is that Alusi functions under the authority of the devil, which we erroneously refer to as Ekwensu. But in our reality as Igbo, Alusi functions based on instructions and agreement we and our ancestors have or had with it, and their resolves are guided by certain stipulated terms and conditions or morality principles that we refer